In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own workflows in Todoist. If you've ever felt the need to streamline your tasks, manage your projects more effectively, or simply stay on top of your to-do lists, then setting up customized workflows can be a game changer for you. Let's dive into this easy yet powerful tool and transform your productivity. First, it's crucial to define your workflow goals. This involves determining what exactly you want to achieve with your workflow. Are you focusing on task management, project tracking, or perhaps habit building? Understanding your goals will guide the entire setup process. Once you have clarity on what you want, it's time to break down these goals into actionable tasks. This step ensures that large projects aren't overwhelming by sectioning them into manageable pieces. Now, with well-defined goals and tasks, let's create projects. Navigate to the Projects tab in Todoist and click on the Add Project option. Name your project appropriately, something like work tasks, personal goals, or maybe a shopping list. Consider using colors to differentiate between projects at a glance. This little visual cue can greatly enhance your organization and help swiftly identify the focus areas. Within each project, you can add sections to help divide the process into stages or categories. An example could be sections labeled To Do, In Progress, or Completed. This step further helps in organizing your workflow and provides a clear structure to move your tasks through. Under each section, start adding tasks. Include due dates, priorities, and labels to keep everything thoroughly organized. Moving on, we will focus on using labels and filters to bring even more clarity and efficiency to your tasks. Create custom labels like @urgent, @meeting, or @review to categorize tasks smartly. Filters can then be used to create specific views based on these labels, priorities, or due dates, helping you focus on what matters today, like priority 1 or meetings. To never miss a deadline, set up reminders and recurring tasks. Simply click on a task, add a due date, and set a reminder to keep you on track. This ensures that important tasks don't slip through the cracks. Collaboration is another compelling feature in Todoist. Share your projects with teammates or family members, assign tasks to others, and track progress using comments and attachments. It's a seamless way to integrate team effort into your personal workflow. Finally, consider optimizing your efforts with templates. Todoist offers a variety of ready-made templates for situations like goals planning, content calendars, or business management. These templates can be customized to fit your unique needs, making them both a time saver and an excellent foundation for repetitive projects. And there you have it. By defining your goals, organizing projects, utilizing labels and filters, collaborating effectively, and using templates, you've transformed your approach to task management. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with your new Todoist workflows.